Namaste, Assalamu Alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. AJ390.
Here we go.
Traffic everywhere, confusion. Alright, so yeah guys, talking to the camera after quite some time, and oh my god, where are you coming, bros? Whoops. There you go, there's an accident there. Anyways, that's pretty much normal here. And yeah guys, after looking at the description of the video, I'm pretty much sure where the... You guys know what exactly this video is going to be about. It's taken quite some time for this brand to deliver my product, but nevertheless guys, it's pretty good. I find the quality of the product also just brilliant. So yeah, it's called a Wrap and Ride, the sticker kit for my bike. So basically you got to just remove your old stickers and swap it with the brand new stickers, which is provided by Wrap and Ride. By no means this is a sponsored video. I have not been sponsored by these guys. So I purchased this product. I will put it on the bike, show you some cinematic shots, show you some pictures. And yeah, that's about it guys. It's a pretty straightforward process. So if you see here, my bike is all completely clean. Previously to what you saw, I had to get the bike washed before applying the stickers. Obviously you don't want to apply new stickers on a dirty bike, right? And yes, I'm just gonna wait for my friend here who's gonna join me in a bit. If you guys are aware, Raj, the guy with the white tube.
One eternity later.
Alright, so almost just reached this place. So the people in Bangalore know this Mojo Tribe showroom. So just on the very same road. The shop is somewhere here. Let's see if he's going to do it. Otherwise, I might need to head to some other place. Let's give it a shot. We'll need to ask him if he'll do. Alright, that attempt was failed because I seemed a little busy with the car over there. I know another shop just down the road here. Let's get going. Righty. He's the other chap who will do it for us. Ooh.
Alright, so we have this guy here who's a pretty good expert in doing the sticker work. That's pretty easy, as you see over here. It's very easy what he's doing. So it should take about 20 minutes for the complete bike. So yeah, let's see how it goes, man. Hope you like the the cinematic shots of the new the Wrap and Ride sticker kit. This is the acrophobic sticker edition from Wrap and Ride. Going on to the quality of the product, like you guys saw the installing and from the shots what I actually took, it was the quality of the stickers are really good. So I don't think anything should happen to the this quality of the, I mean, while washing or polishing or whatever it is, the quality is top notch. Now coming to the, if you're wondering what is this, no, this is not a script. I'm not reading out the video from here. These are the instructions that is given by Wrap and Ride, how you can install it. Pretty good information. And one thing I did not understand what they have given is the packaging. Everything is brilliant, guys. It comes in a cardboard, so it does not fold when the courier services sends it across. But yeah, and Wrap and Ride, if you're looking at this video, I am really not sure what this sticker does on my bike. Alright, this one. This one.
And sorry guys, just hold on, there are a couple of stickers which are not useful, and these two. So
coming to the customer service bit, the main reason I wanted to make this video is to emphasize on the customer service of Wrap and Ride. Even though the product is pretty good, I did not really like the way the customer service handled my queries. For example, I sent in emails and messages back to back asking where my order is. I had no response. I only had one response after 14 days saying that my order has been completed. So I think going with the quality of your product, I think even the quality of your customer service has to increase. That is just my take, guys. I'm sure others might have had a good experience. Thanks so much for making me a part of your day. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and as always, like, comment, share. Ride hard, ride safe. Peace.